Okay, so this episode is going to talk about digitizing your wardrobe using an app. It's all about the easy access and organization. So, whether you're a fashionista or you just want to declutter your space, this is going to transform the way that you manage your wardrobe. So, go grab a snack, come right back, and we're going to get right into it. Okay? So let's talk about the struggle of going to your wardrobe. We've all been there, and you're in a complete panic because there's so much stuff, or stuff is all over the place, and you're like, what am I going to do? And it feels like you're wasting so much time. And you know what? You are. So that's why we need to get our life right, right? We need to do something about it. This is the time. If you've ever thought about it, or you've ever been in that space where you're like, when am I finally going to do something about this wardrobe? Either because it's messy or it's got too much darn stuff in it, whatever the case may be, this is where you need to be, and this is what you need to be thinking about. Let me tell you, when you go through one of those instances where you're looking for something and you're just going through things, you're going here, then you're going back, and it's just back and forth. And finally, you put that outfit together and you're out the door. Don't tell me it's not affecting your entire mood. Don't tell me you're not feeling stressed. Don't tell me you're not feeling like I need to do better. That's what I'm talking about. So how do we tackle that mess? How do we tackle the declutter? How do we tackle the organization that we need to get back to our zen, or to even get there in the first place? Well, enter an app that can help you to manage your closet. Now, for my purposes and this video and this series, I'm going to be referring to Indyx. If you want to know why I chose it, check out episode 1 of the series. So this is how we're going to get ourselves situated. First things first, you need to download the app, right? And I'll be talking about Indyx, but if you choose to use another app, have at it. So you're going to download Indyx. You're going to go to either the Google Play or you're going to go to the Apple Store and you're going to download this thing. And it is free, $0 bupkis. Okay? So no out of pocket money. Perfect. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the quiz that they have, because what you want to do is you want to validate, confirm, or find your personal style. And it's going to give you 3 words that really relate to the style you have. And this is important because once you start organizing, you really need to streamline all those clothes that are sitting in your closet. So that's what you're going to do. So what I'm putting up here is just everything that I'm talking about as I'm talking about it. So you can stop this video, you can rewind it, you can fast forward, use it as your reference all you want. I would love it. The big piece here, and this is where you have to put in a little bit of elbow room. Oh, not elbow room, elbow grease into the process, is you are going to have to photograph each and every garment that you have, right? And it will walk you through the best ways to do that. But you really want to capture those tops, those bottoms, those dresses, those shirts, those accessories like shoes, bags, etc. So that once everything's uploaded and you put categories to them and you put colors to them and you put all the other information that you want around each and every garment, it makes it so much easier on the back end to put it together and get yourself out the door. So you don't necessarily have to do a lot of work going forward. But like I said, there's some elbow grease that you're going to have to put in up front, because if you want to get away from that panic, if you want to get away from that clutter, if you want to get away from that stress, you need to invest the time in yourself. And this is exactly what I'm doing now. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be the prettiest picture, everything's going to be roses, and it's going to feel good. I'm not saying that at all. But what I am saying is it's an investment that will be returned on the back end. And you will thank yourself and thank me later. Okay? Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I think the other cool thing is, apart from things like color or any unique details, you can also make notes about particular garments. So if you have it associated with a particular event, or if there are things that you wear to certain places, like to work, versus you're going out with the girls' outfits, or you have uniforms, let's say, right? You can make notes about those and tag those so that when you are looking for those types of outfits, they will come up even quicker. So it's like creating your own personal catalog, your own Dewey Decimal System, but for you. And if you don't know what Dewey Decimal is, shame on you. Google it. But I digress. You are going to have in the palm of your hand, you'll be able to look at what you need and what you want. And you can put it all together on your phone. And then from there, you can go to your closet and pull those items out. How cool is that? How satisfying will that be? Are you with me? I'm talking. I'm talking. You can dress up in the comfort of your bed, basically. Before you even get out of bed, you can just whip out that phone or that iPad and boop, 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 boop. I know what I'm going to wear today. Let me shower, shampoo, and shine, and I'll be dressed up as soon as I come out. Are you kidding me? Game changer, game changer, game changer. So what do you think? Are you ready? Do you think you would want to tackle your closet and digitize it? Let me know in the comments. Now, I've started the process myself. And as I said in a previous video, I'm giving myself about 8 weeks to complete this, because I do consider myself a fashionista. Maybe a fashionista light, maybe a fashionista classic. But either way, I'm a fashionista. And I've got a lot of clothes to get through. And I am going to reduce the number of clothes I have at the same time that I'm digitizing. So that's what I'm doing. That's what's going on over here. Okay. And one of the challenges that I'm having is finding the time. But you know what? I'm doing it. I'm making the time. I'm getting her done, slowly but surely. And I cannot wait to show you what it all looks like on the back end. So join me here. I am going to pop up some videos that I think relate to this, especially the ones about how do we make decisions about what we keep and what we purge, right? As far as gifting to someone, donating to a good cause, or perhaps selling so that we can recoup some of what we paid out for these lovely garments sitting in our closet. And I think they're good watches. I think they're good references. Even if you're not going to digitize your wardrobe, this is good stuff for you to see. Okay, so I will see you in the next one, and I am going to keep you updated. This is fascinating. Hope this helps. Bye.